Hello, childs. I am Mozzarella and Chedda, and this is Wheeze. Say hello.
Hi.
Such a bad voice. Anyway, today we will be doing a starter Pokemon tier list. We are doing this for, obviously, today. And then we're also doing it for Monday and for next week, Wednesday.
Because we're splitting this into 3 parts. Because we're like that. Milking it.
We love milking. That's why I have a cow in my backyard.
Wait, what?
And if you couldn't tell, it's only the first starters, which is why we have it as 3 parts.
And then the next one is going to be the middle evolutions.
And then the last one is going to be the last Evos.
Yeah.
Okay, show them the rankings. First, we have Cheese and Chedda tier, because I am Chedda and I am awesome, and Cheese Wheeze is okay.
Man, be quiet. That's their S tier.
Appleton is our A tier, because Appleton is just a cool little dude, man. Even though he's a big boy.
And he starts with A.
Breloom is...
B is Breloom.
He's kind of cool. He's not as cool as Appleton, but he's still cool. And it's also the Shroomish face right there next to it. Shroomish. Then we got Chinchou, because Chinchou...
He's not that cool, but he's kind of cute.
Kind of cute. D tier is Delibird tier, because...
Delibird is stinky.
But it's an ice type, so I can justify it just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little time, but...
And then...
E is for Enamorous, because that Pokemon is weird, man.
The only thing that's a little bit cool about Enamorous is the snake tail.
Yeah. And, kind of its other form, not really.
Not really.
And then F tier is Fart.
Because farts are smelly. Like the Pokemon we're going to put down there. If we do.
And you.
Man, be quiet.
Okay, so to start this off, we have Bulbasaur. Siri just listened to me. Bulbasaur, little guy. He's really good in Unite, which I played earlier this week.
It used to be my old main.
Used to be her old man. By the way, that's a girl, not a boy. And, it's also really, it was my carry for Let's Go Eevee, but I think it's A tier. Personally.
It's also, I had another reason, but I forgot it.
Awesome. A tier.
So, when we can't decide on things, because he's weird and doesn't have the same opinion as me, we have to flip a coin, so we don't argue about it the whole time. Where's the coin flipping thing?
It's after the ad that you clicked.
There it is.
Okay, so I say Tails, because Tails is a Sonic character.
And I have to put an A tier because of you.
Let's go.
Ignore that.
Next is Charmander.
Charmander, he's cool. Charizard, cool. Overrated, but still cool. But he's kind of boring.
I say B or C tier.
Nah, I think B.
Okay, B tier. I'm fine with that. Breloom. Squirtle.
But he's just
The squirrel Pokemon. I wonder how much people I just made upset just now.
He's cute, but he's just a blue squirrel turtle.
He's good in Unite. And his Gigantamax form is also really cool.
Yeah, his Gigantamax form is cool.
I say C tier.
I'm sorry, Squirtle fans. And Squirtle, but yeah, I gotta go C tier.
Okay.
He's really cute, though.
As you can tell, we're agreeing for the most part. And for this next Pokemon, which is...
Chikorita.
Cheese tier, let's...
No.
F tier, fart tier. Get out of here.
Chikorita's not that bad, but I kind of got it. He's cute.
Okay, be quiet. Nobody cares anymore.
Well,
Okay,
I like Cyndaquil.
Cyndaquil. A tier, like somewhere around A tier, like B to cheese. Like ranging between there, in my opinion.
I think B. I think he's a B tier.
Okay, we can put him B tier. I don't really care that much.
The fire.
The fire's cool, and I like his face.
Yeah, and I play him.
Both fire starters, right there.
And I play him in Pokemon Mystery Dungeon.
Never played the game, but I'm gonna try to play that soon. For a little project I'll be trying to make. I forgot this Pokemon's name, but it's this guy.
Totodile. Should I get my brother? Totodile is his favorite Pokemon.
Get your brother out of here. We do not care.
Fair enough. He's cute.
We like most childs, not him.
He's a bad guy.
He can be milking my cow in the backyard. I say we put him, like, what's the middle tier? I say we put him in the middle tier. He's mid.
C?
Is C tier the middle tier? But it's not Squirtle, though. It's not Squirtle.
I want to say he's D tier, though. I don't like him.
But he's not Squirtle. He's worse than Squirtle. But, like, he's not D tier.
I think he's... How about he's low C?
Low C? Okay.
Should we order it from, like, in, like, the thing, like...
After we finish putting it together, then we, like, change it around.
Alright.
Okay, Trico, I say we put him not in B tier, like, above B tier, probably. B tier or above.
A.
A tier? I'm fine with that.
Only 1 point flip so far. Look! All the grass, all the fire, and all the water.
Yeah, all of them. Don't look down. Don't look down. We got all of the good ones.
Yep, you can Torchic, he's cute, but he's gonna...
Torchic isn't Blaziken.
He's not Blaziken. I say he's a C or a D.
I was thinking the same thing. Wait, scroll up. Scroll up. Okay, so it's not water type. If it was fire type, I would immediately put it in C tier. But, I agree with you, C or D.
I don't know which one, though.
Yeah.
Wait for the coin.
Sure.
Okay. What's C and what's D?
Well, you know how, like, the head is above, like, the tailbone?
Yeah.
So head is C, D is the other one.
Okay.
That's a long coin flip. Okay, he's D tier. Coins are really useful. You can pay with things.
You can decide important things with them and non-important things.
Yeah. Like that's whenever I am able to elect a president, that's how I'm gonna elect.
Yep.
Okay, Mudkip. I like Mudkip a little bit.
Mudkip, S tier.
S tier? Okay, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that.
I have a Mudkip plushie and I love it. No, get back in 4 tier. You trying to stay?
There's this one episode of the anime where I'm pretty sure the evolution is like stuck in like dirt or something, and it's like really stupid.
Marshall?
Yeah.
Marshall looks insane.
Okay. Is this Turtwig? Or is that the Evo?
Turtwig is he's cute.
I like him. But I'm not sure if I like him enough.
I remember when I really wanted Pokemon Go, but I didn't know how to make an account when I was younger. I kept getting sad because I kept getting asked for Turtwig Community Day and I couldn't play it, so.
I don't understand what that means, but okay.
Pokemon Go stuff. You don't have Pokemon Go.
Yeah, I don't have Pokemon Go. I don't care about that.
It's getting more pay to win anyways. I think B.
B?
B or C?
B or C, I agree with you. I think B.
B, yeah.
I can't put him in C. That's too low.
I like Torterra.
I like Torterra a lot also. I don't remember any of these guys' names. It's the fire monkey.
Chimchar. I chose him in Brilliant or Shining Pearl.
I did not play that crap of a game. How is torture?
Yeah. I like him though. I named him George because he's a monkey. Curious George.
In the show, in the intro, they call him Curious George because he has an accent. The guy singing.
Curious George.
Swang. Don't get copyright. Even though we're just like a little... I'm a little tiny YouTuber. And Wheeze is even smaller. Go subscribe to her.
Yeah, even though I take down all my other videos.
Touche.
I'll make new ones.
I don't think anybody knows that you made old videos. Okay, but where do we put this monkey?
This monkey. I like monkeys. I am a monkey.
You are. You are, definitely.
B tier.
B tier? I'm fine with...
Come on.
It's not Infernape, though. That's the thing. It's not Infernape.
It's not Infernape. Like, come on. He has, like, Taco Bell booty cheeks.
Never had Taco Bell.
Taco Bell?
Never. No joke, I've never had Taco Bell.
Damn. Well, that's good because it gives you bad side effects.
Not if I haven't had it. If you want to put it in... Which one did you say?
B.
I guess. I personally, I would put it in C, but...
Yeah, but even though he's not, what was it?
Wait, we put him in E tier?
No.
No, go down.
Oh, wait, who did I just move? Oh, there.
Why is he in E tier?
Oh, wait, did we agree on E or D?
D.
My bad.
Oh, I'm not allowed to say that.
You're gonna get demonetized.
Yeah, I'll just cut that part off. Priplup, I remember this one because I like it.
Priplup?
That's its name, right?
Bro, ain't no way.
What?
Priplup. Priplup. That's wild. He's cute.
I like him a lot. B tier, I think.
Anime, he had some little funny moments in the anime.
I was about to say I remembered him in the anime, but I don't think I watched that season.
I think it was like in the black and white anime. He always used to like, my bad. He always used to like mess with Oshawa.
I don't remember him in the black and white, but I do remember Oshawott in black and white. I like Oshawott a lot.
Piplup used to like steal all the Oshawott girls.
Infinite Riz.
For real.
Okay, where are we gonna put this boy?
He's cute. I think he deserves A or B.
A or B, I agree. Do you want to do a coin flip?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
I almost clicked on the ad.
Awesome. Free advertisement from a about 20 subscriber YouTuber. Okay, so we're putting him in A. Do we have any Pokemon in A? Yeah, we have the grass ones. Well, he's gonna water the plants, I guess.
He helps him. Snivy.
Snivy? I like Snivy. I like its evolution line.
I like Snivy.
Okay.
B.
Yeah, I was about to say. I like him, but not enough to like him. I feel bad for, look at the Pokemon at, B. I feel like most of them, like, almost half of them are dead, man. Tepig, fort tier.
I think E or D.
E or D.
What did you say?
I said F. I said fort.
Let's make him E.
Okay, I'm fine with that. Oshawott.
Oshawott's so cute.
I love Oshawott. Okay,
A or S?
A or S, I agree. S.
Which one do you think?
No, actually A.
A?
You know what I just realized?
What?
Do you ever see like that teacher or principal that's like slightly bald? And then like they also have like the hair on the sides?
Yeah.
That's what Oshawott is from that angle.
Cyber.
I just realized that. That's what made me decide A.
Really?
Yes.
Damn.
I can't unsee that. I just see him as a bald man now.
Oh, you just ruined it for me. Chedda, he's cute.
But is he cute? People really don't like this Pokemon.
I give him a C.
C or B? Well, automatically, so if I say C or B, that means we're gonna put him in C. So
C.
C. What Pokemon do we have in D? Wait.
D is.
I feel like Torchic is better than Chespin though.
Nah, dude, Chespin's cute. I liked him in the anime.
In the anime, yeah, he's funny. Him and what was the name? Pancham? They're funny.
Pancham? Yeah, Pancham.
They're funny.
Yeah.
I like that plot.
Rest in peace, X and Y.
Fennekin, furry, but that's not what people like to hear because of the anime. It's really popular Pokemon.
I wonder why it's a popular Pokemon, huh? I'd give it like a C. I don't give it much.
C, yeah, I agree. But
Or D. D.
D, yeah. I feel like we should put Torchic up like one more.
Torchic? Yeah, you can see Torchic. You're not on that level.
Okay, we go down. Froakie, S tier.
No, not S. I give it A.
Bruh! You watched the anime?
I did, but I give it an A, man.
You play Unite as him once?
He's not my favorite design.
Bro.
Nah, man. Flip the coin.
Flip the coin? Okay, flip the coin.
Let's see. Yes.
Dang it.
Do you get the notification?
One notification.
No, not notification. That says screen sharing with Massimo.
No, that's probably just you.
If it shows up for you, I would have leaked like your whole.
Yeah, well, you already just did, but Carlos already has. I'm cutting this part out of the video, by the way. Okay, A tier. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. S tier.
S.
Yep, S tier. Let's go.
That's my boy.
Litten, B tier.
Yeah, B.
I used to love it a lot. It used to be my favorite
Me too,
starter.
I still love it.
Rather than Froakie. It used to be my favorite starter.
Yeah,
But then I looked at Incineroar. I'm like, this guy's a furry. I don't like him anymore.
Yeah, but I play Incineroar and Smash a little.
Incineroar is really good in Smash.
Yeah.
D tier or E tier.
Yeah, D. I like Primarina.
We'll get there whenever we do the Evo. Grookey,
He's a monkey.
C or B?
I think C.
Okay, C.
Sorry, monkey brother.
Discrimination against your kind. Score Bunny, S tier. S tier, I do not care.
Yes, man. He's literally your mascot.
He is not my mascot. I am my mascot.
You need to make him your mascot.
I will eventually. Just, y'all don't know the story behind him. I might do that for Friday's video.
You need to make him
Sobble, B or C?
I think C. He's cute, but the evolutions are just so,
I feel like, now that I think about the evolution, we put it in B. I feel like we put it in B.
Why B?
You know something else? It's able to go invisible. That's cool, right?
That's cool, yeah. I guess.
That is cool. And they're also adding it to Unite soon.
E. D.
F.
No, not F. The evolution cute on F, but not him. He's kind of cute.
You're right. I'm gonna admit, Toothpaste Head, while it was my least favorite pick, because the design sucks, I'm fine with it.
Okay.
I feel like A.
B. Yeah, A or B. No, yeah, A.
Okay, put it in A. Because anytime we're like A or B, and then the other person's like, oh yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but it's just one, we automatically have to put it in that one.
F.
S tier. S tier.
F. Okay. That's our list, and now we have to organize it.
Okay, yeah. So we're putting Score Bunny in the very front, right?
No.
Oh well. Wait. I just need to make sure we're on the same page. Left means that it's like at the very top of the list, and right means it's like at the very bottom, right?
Left is the best.
Yeah, and then right is like the very bottom.
Let's start at the bottom. It's easier at the bottom. Well,
It's really easy.
I think he better.
He is better. You gotta press tap pick. That's how these work. Piplup, or what is the guy called again?
Poplio's better than
Poplio, yeah. I had a friend in summer camp who was obsessed with this Pokemon.
Poplio's cute, man.
Okay, so I feel like Grookey's like the second to last Pokemon.
Grookey can stay like that.
Torchic, I feel like we put more to the front. Just a little bit. Yeah.
Like that?
I was about to say switch Squirtle with Chespin, but no, I think you should just keep it.
He's kind of cute, though, you know.
Yeah.
I want to switch him.
Okay.
Okay.
Sobble, I feel like Sobble back.
He gets to go towards more the front, but I don't know if it's who goes in the back.
Sobble?
Sobble? No, I think he just looks to be a little more up.
Okay, that's fine. Put him like 3 up, so that, like he's almost mid.
Who can go?
I feel like we put Torchwig and No, it's not Chinchou. I forgot this Pokemon's name.
Chinchou?
The monkey.
I think Chinchou can go back.
Yeah.
I like Torchwig.
Actually, no, you're right. I like Torchwig a lot. Do you want to switch Litten with Sobble?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fair trade.
Yep. Let's see.
Do you want to put Cyndaquil before Charmander? Okay. You gotta go with the first one in the front.
You think this is good?
Yeah. Okay, A tier, I feel like we keep Bulbasaur right there. I feel like... Can you move Froakie to the front more? Yeah, like, move, like, the water starters more to the front.
That's it?
Yeah. Actually, no, put Trico... Switch Trico and Froakie, in my opinion. You don't have to.
No, I'll leave him. I'm leaving it.
This is fine.
Now,
Okay.
the final tier.
Mudkip is not the best one.
He's the second. He's the third best.
Gotta remember who you're with.
No. I don't think he's still from this.
Bruh.
I know he's your ultimate favorite, but he's not mine.
Dang it. Didn't you choose him, though, as your starter?
Yeah, you think I'm gonna get the weird skinny human lizard in the big gorilla drum person?
Exactly. And then, like, G-Max Pyro Ball. Like, ignore the design of, like, Cinderace. I'm fine with the ball. Really cool animation for G-Max Fireball.
Okay, this is hard, man. I want to put Scorbunny in the back, but you're not gonna let me do that.
I'm not letting you do that.
Should we flip a coin?
Is it worth the coin flip, though?
I don't know.
I'm fine with Rowlet being in the front, even though it's, like, not my favorite Pokemon.
Rowlet's so cute, man.
Yeah.
I don't know. Should we flip it?
Scorbunny is better than... I forgot this guy's name, even though he is my starter I chose. Fuecoco, yeah. I feel like he's not better than Fuecoco.
Man.
Even though Coco's my dog's name.
Coco's also my dog's name.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I say we just keep it how it is.
Yes, good like that.
Okay. So that was our tier list. If y'all don't believe us, like how Scorbunny isn't in the front, comment down below. And
below if we're really wrong and if our opinion angers you, or if you agree.
Wait, the first part shouldn't be a thing in the comments at all. Okay.
I mean, you should 100% agree with us. I mean, like, we're right.
Yeah.
Most of it is right.
Holds at gunpoint. Yeah, you should trust us.
Yeah, so your opinion should be the exact same as ours. If you have any other things, leave it in the comments, even though we're not going to appreciate it.
I'll appreciate comments, because this is my video.
I won't appreciate it that much, because it's not my video, but leave comments for anything they think about that's worth a comment.
And I'll link your.
Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe.
And I'll link Cheese Wheeze's channel in the comments below. Comments or about or whatever. I don't care.
No. You can put it in the pinned comment and description, but there's also this thing that you could do like ads like in your title, like.
Yeah. That's what I meant also. Yeah. So that's the video, guys. Goodbye, child. Say the line.
Goodbye, child. Goodbye.